How to change chat background on Viber. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Viber on your device. Click on the chat where you want to change background. Then click on the person's name at the top, which will open this page. Here on the right side, scroll down and click on background. You'll find different backgrounds. You'll also find two options at the top right, which is camera. You can take picture from that and add as a background, or simply choose photos from your gallery as well. I'm simply going to add a background from here by pressing on the background. After you press on the background, it will be changed in this way. And this is how to change chat background on Viber. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.